Hey friends, this is Andy, and today I'm sharing an incredibly delicious burger salad bowl, which takes all the best parts of a traditional burger and turns it into a salad. To make the special sauce dressing, you're going to need mayonnaise, ketchup, soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and ground pepper. Mix them together and then set aside. For this salad, you're going to need to cook 1 hamburger patty and 2 bacon strips, plus chop up tomatoes, avocado, onion, and pickle. Add 3 cups of romaine lettuce to a bowl, along with cherry tomatoes, dill pickle, red onion, a cooked burger patty, sliced bacon, and avocado. Now you can drizzle that delicious salad dressing over top of the salad and toss together. Dig in because you are going to love this. This is like a deconstructed burger in a bowl. It tastes like a normal burger, but it's low carb and has way more veggies. For more easy family recipes, visit my website at andyn.com.